Welcome to 107.2 FM Radio Nasha. My name is Akriti and I hope the roads are treating you well. I hope my music is treating you well. आज मेरे साथ एक स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं शो पर डॉक्टर कुमुद मोहन रॉय. He's the founder chairman of Echo India and is the director of vascular surgery at the Max Super Speciality Hospital, Saket. Thank you so much, Dr. Kumud, for joining me on my show.
My pleasure.
Sir, please tell me about the Echo India's COVID vaccination training program you're running right now.
We started training healthcare workers in Echo when COVID struck. This was almost 16 months ago, and to date we have trained over 4 lakh workers. When the vaccination program was rolled out in December, in the first government meeting where over 1,000 participants from various states, stakeholders, district magistrates or their representatives, they attended and a plan was made. So currently we are working in 14 states and this is in conjunction with the state governments, and we train those associated with vaccine in the handling of vaccine, in the safe transport, the safe storage of vaccine, how to deal with the side effects and things like that.
Superb, sir. So second wave अभी right now थोड़ा slow down हो चुका है. जो third wave है उसका आना कितना certain है, and what can we do to avoid a third wave?
So let me answer your second question first. The best thing we can do is vaccinate in the entire eligible population. Because if we do that, then even if the virus mutates, the likelihood of that infection is not going to be very serious side effects. So that is the best as a nation, as a society, as a community we can do. Regarding your first question, how certain it is to come, I wouldn't know. There are bigger pundits than me who have been predicting it will come. Yeah. I'm not too sure whether it will come or not, what time frame it will come and what will be the severity. Mm-hmm. But if as a nation we invest in vaccination and of course safe COVID practices, primarily wearing of masks at all times, I think we will be able to combat it, or at best that third wave would not be very, very damaging or very serious.
Absolutely, one should definitely get vaccinated. And sir, vaccination लेने से पहले और लेने के बाद इन चीजों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए, because everybody have their own, giveaways after the vaccination.
So let me share a personal example. My 93-year-old father has taken vaccination. Nothing happened to him. Okay. So vaccination is generally a very safe procedure. If somebody is extremely allergic, then maybe he should, consider talking to his physician. Mm-hmm. Otherwise, common diseases like blood pressure, like diabetes, etc., there is absolutely no reason not to take it. Another thing which people are scared of is for the blood clotting. Let me tell you, while blood clotting is a reality, the number of such cases which has happened is minuscule. Mm-hmm. I mean, there were 23 such cases in 13 million people in Denmark and other countries. A couple have been reported in our country, but when you see the sheer scale of vaccination, the chances are less than 0.0004% that a person would affect a serious side effect. See, common things like little bit of pain at injection site or slight fever can happen in many patients. Mm-hmm. All of us can live with that.
Right. Absolutely, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for taking out time and telling us the most important things we really want to know right now. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Pleasure.
you.